fellow crafters. Today in this video we're going to be unboxing a couple of little paintings for my youngest, who's feeling a little left out since I'm working on the owl and Big Sister is working on Snow Sisters, and we've already finished up the bracelets and the sugar skull. So I am going to go ahead and unbox these two little paintings and we'll see what's in here. Hey guys! Okay, so once again, we got these from our local store, which is called Given. I don't think I name dropped it in the last one. I got this little pouch as part of a large shopping bag, so I decided to put all of my youngest's stuff in there. So this is the Diamond Dotz stuff that she had, that she used for the bracelets. So that's going to go back in there. And then we got these two little starter kits. This one's called Bliss Bud, a little rosebud here. And this one's called Green-Eyed Sparkle. So which one do you want to start with, Caitlin?
The cat, because it's for my friend Brienne.
Yeah, Caitlin's very sad that she can't go back to school this year due to the pandemic, but her best friend since junior kindergarten has been Brienne. So she wants to do this to give to Brienne.
Because she loves cats.
So that's the picture. It's called Green-Eyed Sparkle for the little green eyes and the kitty. Little black cat with a little blaze of white there. Instructions, which we don't need. Hey, more instructions, which we don't need. Okay, so we've got another boat, some more wax, a green squishy, so Caitlin will now have a squishy.
Yay!
But sadly it'll be the same color as mine, but whatever.
Yeah, she'll survive. There's the canvas, tiny little canvas. The stuff is super cute, super clear. This orange is, could you please? I'm showing one thing at a time. I know that does not register with your brain. It's got an orange background because this is clearly supposed to be a Halloween thing. Not a bad thing in ours there. But this looks like it's going to be pretty simple even for Caitlin with her limited attention span to manage. There we go. And then we look at the diamonds.
Which are packaged up.
Emily. And there's 5 colors in this.
So
There is black for the body of the kitty. There's a little bit of pink for inside her ears. There's some red for the collar.
And some orange and some
Caitlin?
green.
Caitlin, enough. And some green. And some of that AB white. Now, I have done a little more research into Diamond Dotz. The ABs are actually not their standard white. They do have a bunch of different ABs that you can actually buy, but it's not their standard white, but it has been everyone. Oh, we got a hitchhiker in there. But yeah, we got 5 colors there. It's only a little bit of the white for the little flashing on there. We ended up with lots of leftovers from the bracelets and from the sugar skull, which I got in my spare drill storage. But there we go, we've got that. I will kit that up for Caitlin a little bit later.
Now, the rose.
Now we're going to look at Bliss Bud, which is rose. So these are $6.99, just like the sugar skull. And we finished the bracelets. I'm going to go ahead and stick up a picture of the finished bracelets here. We don't have all of the bracelets anymore because we did give one of them away to Brienne.
Yeah.
Because again, my girls are missing their friends.
And I don't even know where all my friends live.
So we got the picture there. All of our instructions, we don't know. Hey, another green squishy.
Caitlin has 2
So now Caitlin has 2, so we can take the boat there. Oh, look at that. Look at the background on it.
Oh my god.
Isn't that pretty?
I won't be able to recreate that in Minecraft no matter
No.
how hard I try.
But that's the, yeah, she's been recreating her smaller canvases in Minecraft.
I've only done the sugar skull yet so far, though.
I'll put an image of that up here too. But that lovely water down here and sun up there, and it's got 5 colors as well. So let's take a look at the diamonds. There won't be any AB whites in this one. There's no white on there.
There's only, it looks like reds, pinks, and greens.
Yeah,
Probably only one shade of green, but who knows?
looks like one.
Only
She has
5
5
colors, I think?
There's the first one. We got hitchhikers in there too. 8224. These are not DMC numbers. Diamond Dotz has their own. But 8224, a nice deep leaf green. 8020, the red.
And the rest are reds and variations of pink.
8019, 8029, and that. So yeah, we're going from red down into pink. From those
So variations
to
on red.
8017. Yes, thank you for repeating me. And that is it for these guys. Just little tiny snack paintings. Caitlin has severe ADHD, so she does not have a very long attention span, and she's only just barely 8. So we don't want to have big projects for her, at least not yet. But something like this she can get some success out of. So that's it.
Now are you gonna kit them up?
I'm going to kit them up, yes. But we're going to finish the video out. So if there's anything you want to be, please be kind. This is a very difficult time for everybody. Everybody's on a little bit fraught. If you can be anything, be kind. Thank you so much for joining us. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we're going to have other diamonds and diamond painting videos coming up in the future. See you later.